Alright, so I got my starters. I got 2 starters and 2 alternators here. I'm trying to get them rebuilt. I went to one place. Well, first I was told to go to a place and I looked them up and they didn't exist anymore. And I found another place with a nice website. Drove over there, half-hour one way, and they were closed up. So now I found this place, and we'll see here. Otherwise, we ain't gonna have no more places in Phoenix to find to get this stuff replaced. I guess it's just going to throwaway stuff nowadays. So let's see what we can get done here. To Copper State Alternators and Starters, and there is no other places around. There's I was told to go to one, and they are closed up. Another one's permanently closed up. I came in here and threw this tub on here, and he's like, Corvair's. He knew it just from looking at it. And he said he had a kind of neat story. He called these owl ears. Owl ears? Yeah. Okay. Knew right away. Knew right away what they were.
And this one is a wannabe.
It's a wannabe? It's not really
This has got a newer style Chevy internally regulated.
Okay.
This is real.
That one's the real McCoy?
Yeah. It's mounted regulators on the fender wall. There's no regulator in here.
Okay.
This one, the only thing real about this is the rear end.
The rear part of it. Still gonna work? Work the same?
Yeah, I mean, if you build it back that way you want it, if that's what you want it.
All right.
Because, you know, this one is internally regulated.
Okay.
This one is not.
Okay. All right. Guess we'll figure this stuff out with them. All right. On to alternators. This is just from what I'm learning since I know nothing about anything. When I took these in to Copper State alternator starter place to get it rebuilt, he said this one here's a Frankenstein. The front, this here front half is original, and the back half is from a later model. The later model has the voltage regulator built inside of it. So like everything with that custom one, it's kind of hodgepodge together. Is it a good thing? Maybe, because then you don't need this, a voltage regulator. This is just from what I'm being told and learning. Corvair alternators, he called these all ears. Just what do you call them? This here is an original, all original one alternator that you have to use a voltage regulator with. I do believe there's a few different kinds of voltage regulators too. There's one I think that's like more digital computerized too, from what I was told from Gary. So as I learn more about it, I will spread the information the best I can. Like I said, I'm learning. Hey guys, so these are the alternators and the starters I got from Copper State alternator and starter right here in in Phoenix, Arizona. They did such a good job. I had looked at one place and there was nothing available out here. They were all closed up. I looked at one place, it was supposed to be there, and it didn't exist anymore. And then I found another place, and they wrote a nice website, and there was I drove over to the place. I didn't call. I just assumed they were there. Spent a half an hour driving there, and the place didn't exist neither. Yeah. So they did such a good job. These things were, this one was pretty rough shape. It was pitted all over it. Like it's been sitting in water, but they both worked. And same with the alternators too. They both worked, but you know, I just wanted to get them rebuilt so they'd be nice and all refreshed up. And he quoted me, what did he quote me? About $225 plan on spending on these. And They only ended up being $164 a piece, and I didn't think that was bad for the price that they get for new rebuilt ones at other places. So, yeah. So very happy I have them. I'm probably gonna go take at least another set down there just to have them on the shelf. Maybe I'll bring them 4 more just to have them on the shelf. I don't know. That's what I'm gonna do. Very happy when I went to pick them up. So that's the starters and the alternators. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Corvair Addiction.